Indulge in the serene bliss of our watermelon kiwi light soda, a non-alcoholic, gently effervescent drink infused with 10 milligrams of THC from the renowned Indica strawberry cough strain. This tranquil blend combines the soothing flavors of ripe watermelon and tangy kiwi, creating a perfect harmony for relaxation. Ideal for unwinding, it offers a calming, subtle euphoria. Experience a refreshing, mellow escape in every sip. Enjoy this delightful fusion of taste and tranquility responsibly. As a reminder, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional before using any cannabis products.